How to invest. Investing your first $1,000. Maybe you've just earned your first paycheck, or maybe you have been working for some time, you've put aside a little bit of money. What is the best way to invest that first $1,000? Now, let me give you a few options. There are a few things that you could do. Number one, you could just blow it, right? You could spend that money on drinks or on a little trip, or you can spend that money on buying some video games and things like that. You can just blow that $1,000 and you won't get a return or anything like that, in fact. But you get some pleasure out of it. It's leisure money. You could do that, but that's not called investing. That is just spending money. Now, another thing that you could do is maybe you're thinking about, well, maybe you can buy a little bit of mutual fund. You can buy, cryptocurrency. You use that money for something, and you could do that too. The question is, even if you put that money aside and you invest it for long term, how much of a difference does it actually make to your financial future, right? Another thing that you could do, which maybe something you could do, maybe you have some credit card debts, right? Or maybe you have some debt that you want to pay off that has a high interest rate. Obviously, if credit card, it's going to be very difficult for you to put that $1,000 to work. They will get a better return than the interest that you're paying for your credit card. So maybe use that money to pay off some debt. That may be a way to go as well. But as I always say, you don't really actually have a debt problem, you have an income problem, right? Think about the debt that you have right now, right? The amount of debt, maybe you have a few $1,000s in debt, maybe you have tens of thousands of dollars. In some cases, maybe even $100,000. You're student loan, your credit card, your mortgage, whatever that you have. But I want you to think about, with your current income, how much you're earning right now. How long would it take for you to pay off that debt? Comment below. How long would it take for you, with your current income, to pay off the debt, the money that you owe to other people? Chances are a long, long time. So you don't have a debt problem, you have an income problem. And at the end of the day, your income problem really is your skill problem. You don't have an income problem, you actually have a skill problem. You don't have a valuable skill that you can offer to the marketplace in exchange for more money, so you can earn more income. So that $1,000, I'll share with you what I did. Number one, I did not just go out there and just blow it and spend money on stupid things. I did not do that. Number two, I did not use that money to pay off the debt because I was owing people so much money that little bit of money that didn't help. Because all the businesses that I got into that I failed at, all the money I owed, that $1,000 didn't even make that much of a difference. I know that wouldn't make a difference. So what I did is I invested money into myself. I believe the best investment that no one could compete is you invest that dollars into yourself, improving yourself. Now for some, it maybe is taking a public speaking course, right? Going to Toastmasters, spending a couple $100s to improve your communication skills so you could be more confident when you talk to people. For some, maybe it's going through a personal development course that would help you to develop that self-awareness, knowing yourself more. And for some, maybe it's learning how to sell, or for some, it's learning how to talk to people. For some, it's learning how to do copywriting, whatever it is, or how to do digital marketing. But invest that money in yourself. Buying that book, $20, $1,000, you can buy a lot of books. And if you buy Kindle and ebooks, you can buy even more. Maybe it's going to a seminar, going to a workshop. Maybe it's taking an online course. Whatever that is, invest in yourself. That's the best investment that you could make. Imagine this. You are, let's say, making $2,000 a month, $24,000 a year. But by using that $1,000 and you invest in yourself, improving your skills, improving your confidence, improving different areas of your life so you can deliver more value to the marketplace. Now, let's say, hypothetically, you double your income. Instead of making $2,000 now, you're making $4,000 a month. $4,000, that's $24,000 in additional income to you. That kind of return from $1,000 to $24,000 a year, my question is, what kind of investments would give you that kind of return? None in the world. And that's just the first year. Once you get good, you can keep earning and earning after year after year after year. You're still producing income from something that you learned, could be 2, 3, 5, 10 years ago. I am still creating wealth, earning more from the skill sets that I developed many years ago. No one could take that away from you. The government cannot tax it. No one can steal that from you. It is yours. It is yours. So that $1,000, invest in yourself. It will never go wrong. Your first $10,000, invest in yourself. We invest in yourself. Believe in yourself. Bet on yourself. Don't bet on others. Don't bet on a stock, right? Invest in yourself first. Once you earn more money, yes, once you have developed the earning abilities, then yes, that extra, now you don't just have $1,000 put aside, you have way more than you put aside. Then yes, you can look into other investments. That's my suggestion for you. How to invest. Investing your first $1,000.